How to send a picture as a snap. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send a picture as a snap, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now if you would like to send a picture as a snap, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Snapchat. Now the problem here is quite simple. If you select a certain person here, if you want to send them a picture from your gallery, you will tap the gallery icon and you will select that particular picture, let's say here. But the problem is that this picture will get sent as a chat and not as a snap. But we want to be able to send it as a snap, right? So what do we do if we want to send it as a snap? So to send it as a snap, very simple. Instead of selecting gallery icon, tap on the snap icon here. Now just go ahead and take a picture of that exact same picture. Just kidding, that's not how we do it. So what we have to do from here is scroll all the way to the right hand side until you see this search bar. So you can scroll all the way to the right, or you can just see here this search bar. Just tap on the search bar, which will take us to this filter or lens searching page. At the very top of the search bar, just type in upload, because we want to use an upload filter. So once you select upload, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many upload filters over here. But you can basically choose any one of this. It doesn't really have to be that you have to choose the particular one I'm using. Just select media upload filter here over here, right? So I'll select that filter. As I do that, it will give me a list of all the pictures that are in my gallery. So I can choose that particular picture now. Now I can just go ahead and record it, or I can just hit the click button. Now you can see the picture has been selected. Now I can hit the send option, and this time you can see it says sending. It will get sent as a snap. So the trick here is if you select directly from this gallery, it will get sent as a chat. But if you go to snap, choose a filter which is called an upload filter, photo upload, video upload filter, and in that filter you apply that photo, then that photo can be sent as a snap. And this is the only way you can do it and send it as a snap. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.